Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how we can unblock websites on our Windows using very simple and safe methods. So let's just get started. Open up your settings. For that, we can start by opening up our settings and go to Network and Internet. And once you go to Network and Internet, look out for Advanced Network Settings. This one right here, and select it. After you select Advanced Network Settings, you can just go over and look out for more network adapter settings. So you can just go over and select it and got for your Wi-Fi and select this option of additional properties and open it up. And once you do so, you can look out for this option of IP assignment. Click on edit. And once you do, you can select this option for manual and you can turn it on. So you can turn this one on IPv4 and select this following DNS service. So you can scroll down, look out for the option and look out for the preferred DNS. So in the preferred DNS, you can type in 8.8.8.8 and right in the alternate DNS, you can type in 8.8.4.4. After that, just go and click on save and follow up the process. You can use this DNS right here, which is Google DNS, or use the Cloudflare one instead, which is 1.1.1.1, and the other one is 1.0.1.0.0.1, and click on save and save up the change and try accessing the website that you think is blocked. Apart from that, you can just go over and clear up the browser blocks. So open up Chrome for that. Let's say that is one of the browser you're using or any of the browser that you're using. And once you open it up, you can go for the three dot and select it and select the option of settings and open it up. And once you select your settings, you can go to the left hand side, look out for privacy and security. And under privacy and security, go to site settings. And within site settings, you can just go over and look out for the restricted content section. Scroll down, look out for additional content settings and look out for the restricted content. For example, insecure content, you can select it up and you can add it up here. And just if the added content is here, the blocked website, you can just go over and remove it by selecting the remove option available right here. So you can just go over and do so. Also, you can just go over and disable Windows app blocks. So go to account.microsoft.com/family. Type in account.microsoft and then .com/family and hit enter. And once you hit enter, you should be taken to their official site. What you may do is basically go ahead and turn off the web filtering from this section right here. You need to log in for that. And after that is done, that should probably work for you. You can just go and look out for your family account. And if there is any kind of website block, you can just go for and unblock it. And that's how we unblock any of the website on our Windows. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.